Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and as you can see, I'm here to share my page for hashtag Color and Create With Us You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary's You Rock Art. Um, I It's 10 o'clock on a Monday. Usually I've posted this first thing in the morning, and today was not the day. This weekend was not the weekend. I didn't have any time to color whatsoever. And finally, I got on with with some friends, and we chatted, and I was coloring because I wanted to get this done this evening. And I'm here to share. It was so nice to catch up with the girls online. I haven't talked to them in a while, and it was much needed. Little chat and giggle and, and craft. So this week we were to color this page in our book, and I just used different colors to color her wings and the leaves, and she's just a cute little fairy. Um, yeah, and I just use regular color crayons. No, sorry, Crayola pencils. That's it, pencils. And um, I try to use different greens and blues and browns to give it a little bit of pop and color. And then I go back and darken certain areas. But anyway, that is my page for this week. Next week's page that Rosemary's picked for us is this one that says, "You make me feel bubbly inside." And this reminds me of boba tea. My daughter loves boba tea. She got me into boba tea, but I don't like the boba balls. And I'm thinking that bubbly is more like a carbonated drink, and I do not drink carbonation sodas and stuff like that anymore. But I have an idea of what to color this page. So that is next week's page for Color and Create with Us. Today I do not have a create. I did not create much this weekend. But you do not have to color in this book. You can color what you want. You can color things on the internet. You can color images, stamped images. You could draw and color it. I mean, that's one thing. You do not have to have this book. You can have a different coloring book and so forth. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great rest of your evening and the beginning of your week. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.